Broke that one off. That one broke off.
I just want to show everybody what it took to get this front cap off of the fifth wheel. It was not really that hard to do. It was just taking out the screws all the way around the door and the bottom, and it come off of there. So I encourage everybody to look for themselves and see what you have going on with your own eyes, so you can address your issues.
Yes. Bent really badly. Probably not a good sign. I don't even know if these are really holding anything in there, but I'm just going to take them all out.
I did have to go to a hardware store to buy some more screws because a lot of them were damaged or broken off in there.
Ooh, those are hot.
Welcome to the desert.
That's, I think that's all of them. That thing should come off of there.
I'm holding the whole trailer up.
So what does it look under here?
Oh, this is already by itself. You're gonna try to take this piece off?
Corrugated plastic.
I'm just wondering if this is. Hey, you know what? You're gonna have to. Hey, right here. You're gonna have to loosen this seal up all the way around.
How many RVers does it take to take the front part off? So far, 2. Well, we might have had to start pulling the camper apart, but we found the mouse. We got him. He's a little dead. Got him.
After seeing all the issues people are having with these Grand Design toy haulers, I decided to take mine apart and look for myself. After seeing the poor craftsmanship and welds done on this trailer, I now understand why it flexes so much when we're driving. I don't think it's dangerous. I didn't find anything broken, but some of the great workmanship you're going to be looking at under your Grand Designs. Looks like they just torched a hole in the frame for the wiring there. Look at all of these beautiful welds. Man, I wish I could let you see this and touch it, feel it, and just know what you're getting yourself into before you buy one of these things. A lot of the slag and where they were welding, a lot of the metal rod and stuff is still just stuck on here. Like they didn't even hit it with a wheel or nothing. And a lot of this stuff is just, you know, it just snaps right off there. Probably should have been hit with a wire brush or something at least once, maybe, before they popped and got all this splatter all over it. Maybe cleaned it up with just a little bit. A lot of these corner bracings look like they're bent and bowed. It's real hard to tell in there, but yeah, this is the kind of craftsmanship and welding that I'm seeing on this thing, not giving me just a whole lot of confidence in any of these welds. Got pinched wires in a lot of places. This was concerning to me. It looks like it was crushed in. But I mean, it's hard to say whether that is caused by flex or if they just hit it with a hammer and kind of pop welded it on there like that. Who knows? But yep, that's all. I also want to point out that there was no insulation at all, and this is under the bedroom, and this is all the closet bracing that you're gonna get under your Grand Designs. That one's bowed as well. Pretty sure that one's bent. sure about that one. They all look bent to me. And this almost makes me feel better about it now that I'm looking at it. I can tell it was just put together really. I found all of the screws on this side holding the wall were very loose. The area over here where we're most concerned about, this whole corner and the slide as well. When the slide comes in and out, it is flexing this wall pretty hard inside here. So I tried to get a look at what was going on up in there. You can. I'm gonna put it all the way back out. You ready?
Whole crack is moving. Yeah.
Jumped out at 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah.
And it's right there. So there's just no way to get to that.
No.
You see it right there?
No. Is that all the way out?
It's loose, and it when you go in and out with the Swintex slide, it's moving where this stud here is not.
Okay.
This piece is coming here, and then you got this piece is stationary, this piece is doing this. But it's only moving 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah.
But it's only happening when you're running that slide.
Yeah, that's the only time it's not going to happen when you're
I'm
going
not,
down the road.
yeah, towing it wouldn't concern me,
Okay.
but you need to take it to one of two places. You either need to take it to Grand Design or you need to take it to Lippert.
All right, y'all. Well, now that we know we are not going to come apart going down the road, let's get back out there and let's get at it. Come on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos of Quartzite, as we have plenty still where this came from. Until next time.